A Magus Dominus, the Fem Magus Domina, known also as a Techpriest Dominus, is a senior Techpriest of the Adeptus Mechanicus, who commands the Mechanicus military forces and seek to advance the development of military technology. The Magi of the priesthood of Mars are the masters of much of what remains of the vast and potent military secrets of the age of technology, particularly the ancient technology of combat robots, the battle automata. To them, the pursuit and preservation of the arcane mysteries of science and circuit are of far greater worth than petty wealth, worldly power, or the lives of their fellow men. A Techpriest Dominus may live for many standard centuries or even millennia, prolonging their life through arcane science and progressive cybernetic conversions, willingly becoming something other than human as they seek to fulfill their omniscient will. Shapers of destruction, masters of the cult mechanicus, the Techpriest Dominus can reduce entire worlds to ruin. They can command a city to be broken down until not a single rock-creek brick rests upon another, or order an entire intelligent species eradicated and expunged from the history books. These feats they accomplish not through diplomacy but via the relentless, mercenary application of firepower, for it is that commands the Mechanicus Scutari Legions, Electro Priesthood and Legio Cybernetica. The vaunted rank of Dominus is bestowed upon only of those of the cult mechanics with a true talent for war, those who believe the supremacy of the machine god is to be proven at every opportunity, though they are likely to hail from the laboratories of the Magus Biologists, as they are from the war halls of the Magus Militarum. Each is an expert in weapons arcana. To them, the secrets of the battlefield are laid bare. Every bullet's ballistic trajectory, every last pack's current capacity, and every battle engine's optimal fire solution flickers in their mind's eye.
Come build, collect, and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.